I am Anuradha Vikramasinghe. My experience in human resources management counts over 2 decades. From the start of my career as a management trainee in HR to a department head managing different countries today, I have gained a comprehensive knowledge about human resources management. My experience being employed by local as well as multinational organizations have allowed me to obtain an extensive level of understanding on best HR practices. My passion for the HR profession has made me fortunate to have a progressive career in diversified industries. Looking back on my career, I see that I was continually energized by additional responsibilities and learning new skills. Being a self motivator helped me look beyond the bare minimum of what is required and find more efficient ways of getting things done. Accordingly, right from the beginning of my career, I was clear about my goals. I always believe having an ethical approach while having a strong determination and continuous learning, leading by example, have made me successful in my career. During the past 20 years in HR management, I have gained strong skills in many areas, whereas employee relations and retention, knowledge about labor laws, and organizational culture improvements I consider as highlights. My career, along with experience in the profession, is mainly backed by 2 bachelor's degrees and a master's. I'm especially thankful to my school, my childhood teachers, and all the university lecturers for laying a strong foundation for my success. I cannot forget my family, my loving husband, and my 2 daughters for holding hands with me in every difficult circumstance. It wouldn't have been easy to come this far without their support. I started my career as a management trainee in year 2000. Since then, I have been fortunate to be employed by several great organizations. Having employed in apparel industry for many years, at present I am employed by Next Sourcing Limited to head their HR operation in Sri Lanka and Pakistan. Next Sourcing is the license office of Next plc UK. Being the largest apparel buying office, Next employs about 250 people in their Sri Lanka sourcing office. As a leading buying office, whose success depends on the quality of the garments and the service levels, Next holds a high value on talent with passion, grit, and vision. The apparel industry in Sri Lanka is challenging and demanding. New challenges appear every day that require expert problem solving, critical thinking, and determination. As the industry is very people sensitive, being able to act with tact and diplomacy are essential skills. Culture of our organization is open and opinion of every employee is heard and valued. The balance of our values between what we do and how we work together to achieve our goals is the secret essence of our success. We execute while collaborating and remaining positive, optimistic, empathetic, and work together across teams to deliver the best products to our customers around the world. I'm deeply honored to receive this award and to be recognized by Women Icon powered by Times Women. The letter confirming that I am being recognized for outstanding HR under Women Leadership category simply overwhelmed me. To the new generation, I say, you might feel working in HR can be hard sometimes. Your efforts quite often go unnoticed while you could be juggling a whole range of spinning plates day in and day out, constantly trying to make sure one doesn't drop. But if you love your profession, nothing can stop the flame burning within you. It can be rewarding too. You will have the platform to do your best to support your company's biggest asset, that is, people asset. I was always passionate to motivate and inspire others and contribute more than the best of my ability to my profession. And this award suggests that perhaps I have succeeded in some measure. I sincerely hope that is the case. It is difficult for me to express in words how much this recognition means to me. Thank you once again to Women Icon for recognizing me.